Hi there. This part one of this video is going to tell you how you can begin to set up your Android device to work with Caldwell Homes G Suite. Before you even touch your Android device, before you even begin to set anything up on there, there's just a few pieces of information that I would like to share with you. So before, again, trying to set anything up on your Android device, you're going to want to access your Caldwell G Suite account on a computer at mail.google.com. The reason for doing this is if you haven't done this yet, it's going to allow you to change your initial password to something unique, and it's going to be a lot easier to do on a computer than on your phone. So your login username, once you see a login screen, is going to follow this naming convention here. Your first initial, last name, which is all together, at caldwellhomes.com. So for example, jsmith@caldwellhomes.com. And this here is going to be your initial password, Caldwell with a capital C, 2018. So don't forget this password is case sensitive. If this is lowercase here, it's not going to work initially. And the first time you enter that password into your Caldwell G Suite account, you'll be asked to change it to something unique. So keep that in mind as you go through these initial steps. So just a small disclaimer, with Android devices, a lot of Google tools are already going to be pre-installed on Android devices. All you'll have to do, for the most part, is add your Caldwell G Suite account, a new Google account, to the Android device. So these tools here, Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, and Google Contacts, are already pre-installed on most devices. The only exception to this is going to be for Samsung users. For folks who have Samsung devices, you may need to go to the Google Play Store and install Google Calendar separately. So that is something to keep in mind if you are a Samsung user. And we've listed here the initial steps for actually adding your Caldwell G Suite account to your device. The second part of this video is going to show you step by step what that looks like on an Android device. But we have listed them here in case you do want to have this written out for you. If you have any questions or if you need any help with these steps that are about to follow or these steps which have been described, please feel free to reach out to us at google@caldwellhomes.com. Someone will be in touch with you to help you out with these setup steps. On that note, we're actually going to pull up our Android device now and show you visually what these steps are going to look like on an Android device and what the typical steps for doing so are.